Hi, Roger with Dean Supply here. We're getting creative today. In this video, we're talking about charcuterie and cocktailware. Charcuterie is a hot trend right now, and we're going to show you everything that we've got available at the store. So you can see we've got all kinds of different items on the table here. Starting with the boards, we have many different boards in different sizes. Some even are actually on clearance sale, but even if you're looking for a smaller one, we've got a little board here. Looking at the different sizes and different shapes, if you have a bigger party, you can go with a longer one, a larger one. You can actually be creative. If you get a couple of these, you can see that this board has feet on the bottom, and you can get creative and actually put it on another board so you can have a riser. So you can have some items up here, you can have some items down here as far as your charcuterie board. Many different things you can put on here. It's not just meat and cheeses. There's salads and there's olives and there's things like that. So I want to show you a lot of the stuff that we have to offer. As far as cutting the cheese, we've got a soft cheese knife, which is this right here. This is a great knife. It's hollow so that when you cut a softer cheese, it doesn't create any friction and the cheese will just peel off. It also has a fork at the end. So after you cut that cheese, you can use that fork to pick up the cheese and either put it on your plate or anything like that. It's serrated, it's sharp. This is a great little soft cheese knife. We also have a little cheese set. This has a curved cheese knife, this has a cheese slicer, and a cheese cleaver. That's a great little kit. That could be a gift even that you can bring to a party. We have all kinds of oliveware. These are olive scoops. You can use these for salads or olives. This is an olive scoop as well. Any small things you can use and scoop up and put on your plate. We have honey dippers. Honey is a huge thing with charcuterie, so we have all kinds of different honey dippers as well. And moving over here, we've got some sandwich spreaders. We call these sandwich spreaders, but a lot of people like making their own cheese ball, whether they'll roll it in nuts or spice or something like that. But you can use one of these cheese knives or a cheese spreader to actually cut and serve the cheese, whether it's a cheese ball or it's a soft cheese. This is my favorite tool. This is your olive stuffer. So you're going to take the pimento out of a green olive, you're going to put it right here, and you're going to stuff some Boursin cheese or some blue cheese or whatever you want to stuff inside of it. You're going to hold the olive and you're going to push it, and all of that filling goes right into the olive. Then you can make an olive salad on your charcuterie tray. A lot of different items in here. This is our garnish kit. You can garnish up a whole charcuterie tray with just this kit alone. And then tongs as well. We have many different options for tongs. This is a metal tong that we've got, very inexpensive, very easy to use. You want to get a little classier. We've got these round tongs. These are really nice round tongs. We've got what I call kitchen tongs. These are small that are made for presentation and serving things off of a board, but they look like they're a professional kitchen tong. I think these are really cool. And then what's nice too, these are disposables, but they're made with reflection, which is the chrome looking finish. So although these are plastic, they look like they're metal, they're chrome. And then again, some other choices for tongs. So a lot of different choices. We have a lot of different things to go along with the charcuterie trays, as well as the cocktailware. Next time you're doing a cocktail party or a charcuterie tray, it's a hot trend right now, and you got to see what we've got.